In 1995, a 28-year-old trader destroyed Britain's oldest bank with a single trade. Nick Leeson worked for Barings Bank in Singapore, a 233-year-old institution that once financed wars against Napoleon. Leeson was making unauthorized trades, hiding massive losses in a secret account numbered 888888. Every day, he sent fake reports to London showing profits, but he was actually losing millions. His bosses had no idea their star trader was gambling away the bank's future. Then the Kobe earthquake hit Japan. Markets crashed. Instead of cutting losses, Leeson doubled down. He bet everything the markets would recover. They didn't. In 3 days, he lost $1.4 billion, more than the entire bank was worth. Leeson tried to flee to Malaysia but was arrested at the airport. Barings Bank collapsed overnight. Queen Elizabeth lost her personal banker. 2 centuries of British financial history, destroyed by one man's desperate gamble. The bank that survived the Napoleonic Wars couldn't survive Nick Leeson.